to my channel, Sparkling Glue. So glad to have you here. So I am working on another free folio for you guys to make, and I'm having a lot of fun with it. I know, as you can tell, purple, blues, pinks, flowers are my thing, so that's pretty much what I create. I hope you guys like it. Anyway, I did a garden gate one not that long ago, and everybody seemed to really like it, so I went ahead and did another one. So let me show you what we have, and then I'll put it together and come back. So it's the garden gate, which when you cut it, you're going to fold, and you'll have the front gate. And I printed this on the back of the page. There are tags, and then this is a little fussy cutout. I thought maybe we could put it at the top inside. I don't know, I guess until we put it together we'll see. The next page. So, this folio, it is pretty large. Let's see, it's like 7 1/4. I think it comes out to be by 5. So I made a mini one also, so if you want to add that to a little one of your junk journal pages, you can, because this one's kind of big enough to be on its own. Also though, we're going to put it inside a pocket, so I thought that might be cute to have a mini version. And so some corner pockets and stamps and butterflies. And then this is also a background page you can use. And this is the one I printed on the back. But if you'd rather maybe do this, I just thought this way you could have some options. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut everything out, and then come back and we'll put it together on video. Anyway, okay, I'll see you in a few. Bye. Everything is cut out and I inked, and I used my purple ink pad from Hobby Lobby. And let's go ahead and get started putting this together. So I did not use the scoring board. I folded just on the lines. And so here's the front and the inside, and then the back. And we do have a really bad storm coming, so if it seems maybe I'm having a little trouble with the video, so I apologize. But rain's not going to stop us, right? Anyway, so I'm going to glue this pocket down, and I'm using art glitter glue, and I'm gluing on the bottom and the 2 sides. And I'm going to place the pocket in the middle, and you want to make sure that you can easily fold the folio. So what I did is I cut right up to the purple lines. So just make sure before you glue it in that it fits okay. And then for the corner pockets, I glued a piece of lace just right on the very, very edge to kind of make it. I thought that was kind of pretty, and we're just gonna put some glue on the top and bottom. And again, I'm gonna line this up with the corner of the folio bottom and just press down. And I'm leaving the lace just sort of hanging over because it's not going to really cause a problem folding. Anyway, so the other corner pocket, which I'm placing right here, and I'm just going to put glue again on the bottom and the side, and line it up with the bottom of the folio and the side, and press down just to get it to adhere. Okay, So this is our little fussy cut, and you can either glue it like that or raise it up a little so when you close the folio you can see it, which is what I'm gonna do. But so I'm only putting glue on the very inner side here, just so that's the only thing that's really gonna have. And if you wanna, I'll probably just do a little purple ink on this, so from the back. But I thought that was that's a little pretty, right? Okay, and then our little, this is so cute, this mini folio, mini garden gate. So, and that is for the pocket, and I did cut this in ink, and I inked the inside. I just went around with my purple to make it a color. And I thought I would just put a little saying inside. This one says, "Positivity is a mindset," and I agree. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put some glue. And it didn't fit straight across, so I'm just angling it. And then I thought maybe a little butterfly in here as well. And you really could put paper for journaling or notes or your own writings, but I thought that was cute. And let's go ahead. So, and that's going in that pocket as well. So, tags. I glued, so there were 4 of these thinner ones, and they're the ones that go on the side, and I glued them together, and then punched a hole and added a little lace. And I'm just gonna, the electricity might go off. Yeah, my dog's not happy. I'm sorry, Bella. I know it's scary. And then this other tag, same thing. And this one has a little picture of the gate as well. And maybe I'll put it in this way with that. And then, so we have some butterflies left and some stamps, and I don't know for sure where I want to put everything, and certainly it's just whatever you think would be nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue a few of these in, but you know, you don't have to use them. And the stamps, maybe they'll be pretty on a tag. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to put this on one of the tags. Like that. That's nice. And maybe the other stamp. It's hard because I like the paper. I don't want to cover it. But, and then that was the other thing too, to use to close these up. I was thinking of a butterfly, but I really don't want to cover the little doorknobs because I think they're cute, but I guess that's just a preference. And so that looks pretty here. We can add those in our little pocket. Oops, it's not glued yet. Okay, there you go. And then these little stamps, I don't know yet. I don't know what I want to do. So, but I think that this gives you a really good idea. And then I thought maybe just tie a little ribbon or something on the front to keep it closed. But, or, you know, or do some sort of closure. But here we are. So we have our little garden gate, and you open it up, and pocket on the side with a tag, and another pocket on the side with a tag. And then our inside pocket has a tag as well, and the little cute mini garden gate. And like I said, this, if you want to put this in a journal that you have already, and not, you know, you could print another one out, I guess, or not use it in this and use it in your journal. Because I thought this might be too big to fit in a journal, because especially even now that I added that top. So it's up a little over 8 and 5. So just depending on the size of your journal, but I think that it's probably a little big. But you could use this. So, and then we have a few extra pieces, so go ahead and have fun wherever you want to put them. And I mean, that looks kind of cute there, I guess. Okay, let's do that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going to put the link below in the description so you can download the Folio kit and go ahead and cut it out and make it. And if you get a chance, let me know what you think of it, or if you did something different. Always happy to learn new things and new ideas. And anyway, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Keep sparkling, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.